Some cast aluminium. This is glass. This could be a fruit bowl. I mean, now what's this made out of? Alright, this is plastic, so ooh. Interesting part, a noise filter. Sanshing Electronics. Alright, next thing we need to buy is the fucking cable stripper. There'll be some good copper in this engine in here. Just gonna get this out. There we go. Look at that. Precious copper. Chinese copper. I'm stealing directly from the communists. It's a bit smashed up, but that's what it looks like on the inside. So I was looking at the prices of scrap metal, and yeah, brass and copper are actually kind of valuable. Look at that. Look at that. Gold mine. Ooh. There we go. There's a tomato. I'll eat this one. That's fucking Joe. Alright, let's just flat pack these bits.
from Big Mavis.
Didn't make it in time, unfortunately. I fucked up the transition, so had to restart it. Let's fucking go. They're going crazy. I think they're called Corellas. They're kind of similar to cockatoos, but so many. This is the treasure. This is the treasure. This is what it all comes down to, baby. Ooh, look at that. That's the money. There we go. The heart of the machine. Look at that. That's beautiful. Love to see it. So, okay, so it's all like wound up in a certain way. I guess unwinding it by hand will probably take a bit of time, but whatever. Yeah, I found a washing machine and I thought it'd be a fun little stream to just fully dismantle it. I'll show you, we fully cut the sides off, as you can see. So we flat packed that. That's some, you can probably get a couple cents for that steel. We've got all the components in there, the wires, metal. You see, Relb, I'm a scrap man now. This is what I do now. Look at that. Getting out of the ghetto with this one. Just need to figure out the best way to unwind it all. It's crazy how it's all wound. Doing it by hand will be fucking crazy. But it's at least a kilo. That's at least like 10 bucks. I'm a scrap man, you see? Yeah, see? I'm a scrap man, ran. We got the stainless steel fucking this bit. Oh, that's gross. What is that? Think of all the trash we can burn. But yeah, how long did that take me? Probably like 3 hours. I mean, I was working pretty slowly. I probably could have smashed it out if I fucking was going hard, but you know, it was like a chill, it was just a chill, relaxing afternoon activity. It'd be interesting to see like what kind of steel this is. I'm assuming it's just that cheap like Chinese steel. Assembled it. These are all the flat packed sides. There's all the components on the inside there. Look at all the copper we got. Heaps of copper, heaps of little electrical parts. We got the cabling. Need to get my hands on one of those cable strippers. Stainless steel drum. I'm a fucking scrap lord. So there's good raw materials to be had, all right?
Dan Scrapyard and Property Services Pty Limited.
What the fuck do you reckon that's made out of? It looks like some kind of heating element. What would a heating element usually be made out of?
Rizzy Mike said an element will be copper outside with wire inside.
Who wants to guess how much money is actually worth of materials in there? I reckon 10 bucks. Probably not even, probably 5 bucks.
Pennypacker 85 said cutting disc worth more than the scrap metal. Good job.
Look at that.
Pennypacker 85 said this might be the worst business I've ever seen.
Hey man. But think about it, it's doubling his content, so you know, if we get rich off the content, you know, I'm investing in my business. Alright? Fucking hell.
Rizzy Mike said, Dad, are you able to mute audio on these streams if you get a call or something?
What do you mean mute audio? Mute audio from where? From the TTS or?